Hello students. Today we will learn subject Max. Lesson number 8, Coins and Currency Notes. In this lesson we will learn about coins and currency notes. Students, we need money to buy anything. But in olden days, when coins and currency notes were not available, people used to exchange things. Then as times passed by, coins and currency notes were started in India. These are some of the coins and currency notes of olden time. Students, do you know that different countries have different coins and currency notes? Today, we will learn about Indian coins and currency notes. This is a symbol of Indian rupee. Now, let's have a look at the Indian coins and currency notes. 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee note, 2 rupee coin, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee coin, 10 rupee note and 20 rupee note. Students, we use these coins and currency notes in our daily lives. Let's see this with some examples. Suppose you go to a shop to buy 2 chocolates. The price of the chocolates is rupees 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So you can give 2 coins of 1 rupee or 1 coin of 2 rupee. Our next example is you want to buy a ball. The price of this ball is rupees 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So you can give 2 coins of 2 rupee. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. So you can also give 4 coins of rupee 1. Our next example is you want to buy a book. The price of the book is rupees 5. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 5. So you can give 3 coins of 1 rupee and 1 coin of 2 rupees. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. So you can also give 2 coins of 2 rupees and 1 coin of 1 rupee. Our next example is you want to buy a balloon. The price of this balloon is rupees 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So you can give 2 coins of 5 rupee or 1 note of 10 rupees. Our next example is you want to buy a water bottle. The price of this water bottle is 20 rupees. 5 plus 5 plus 10 is equal to 20 rupees. So you can give 2 coins of 5 rupee and 1 note of 10 rupees. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. So you can also give 2 notes of rupees 10. Students, we will now have a small activity. Here you have to find the price of the articles by counting coins. First article is color pencil box. 2 coins of 5 rupee is given. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So the price is rupees 10. Second article is a kite. 2 coins of 5 rupee and 1 coin of 2 rupee is given. 5 plus 5 plus 2 is 12. So the price is rupees 12. Next article is a balloon. 4 coins of 2 rupee and 2 coins of 1 rupee is given. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 10. So the price is rupees 10. Students, I hope you have understood coins and currency notes. Thank you.